Can anyone hear me? Hello? Is that a campsite? Yeah, good dog. Here you go, boy. Enjoy. Looks pretty beat up, but yeah, I think it still works.
Ellis, maybe you should...
No, I'm fine. I'll deal with it. I just need a little more time.
Ellis, what you need is help.
I could have managed.
Ellis, I can't do this anymore.
What? What is it this time? What, I wasn't smiling enough? Didn't say I love you for 5 fucking minutes?
Jesus Christ, Ellis, do you even hear yourself?
Yeah, I can hear myself just fine. And I can see the way you look at me. Like I'm a fucking loser. You're a sick little puppy for you to look after. Oh, why, Alice?
Get over yourself, Ellis. Be a man for once.
Oh, yeah, there it is.
There it is. I hope you can figure it out, Ellis. I hope you can finally forgive yourself. I tried to help you, but I just can't be around you anymore.
Go ahead. Get out. Leave me the fuck alone. Come on, be a man.
Ellis, you got my message.
You, wanted to see me, sir?
Better yet, I want to introduce you to someone. Bullet, meet your new partner. He's been through a lot, just like you.
What? Sir, I can't.
Oh, you got something else going on right now? Just take the damn dog, Ellis.
Yeah, yes, sir. Did I pass out? Boy? Oh, shit! It's pitch black. Oh, I must have blacked out for hours. FM 2176. Field manual. Great. First it's witches and curses. Now what? A commando? This thing again. Oh, no, it's a different one. Someone had too much time on their hands. How did it end up back here? There's a tape inside. Might as well see what's on it. there's still some leftovers inside. Maybe a few days old. Bullet! Come on, look around, boy. You got nothing? Come here, boy. Bullet! Freeze-dried ice cream, huh? Jess used to love these. She was so bummed when I told her that I didn't actually eat them in space. You know what? I'm really glad Lanning put us together. Come here, boy. Bullet! Bullet, seek! Nothing there, huh? There's nothing on this one. Now, this one is clean. We're wasting time. Come here, boy. What's going on, boy? Easy, boy. It's gone now. Bullet! Come here, boy. See if you can find something, buddy. You got nothing? How did we end up back here? The hell? This wasn't here. This tape. Did it just... No, that's not possible. Now get it together, Ellis. It's probably Peter's. Maybe Bullet can catch a scent. Well, you know what to do, buddy. Just like in training. Good boy. Now, you do great on the force if you weren't so stubborn. Still on track, buddy? Good boy. I should pick up. Might be important. Go ahead.
Go ahead. God damn it, Ellis. I've been trying to reach you for hours. First a kid, and now you. It's like the only thing I do is chase after whoever walks into this goddamn forest. Where the hell are you?
We went down a ravine and headed north, up to an old campsite.
Wait, what? We went through that area. We didn't find any campsite.
Well, you didn't find Peter's cap either. Listen, we're still on the trail. We'll keep moving north.
For Christ's sake, Ellis, stop playing a hero. Just sit your ass down till we find you.
Emmett, just find the campsite and head north. I'll look for a landmark, something to point you in the right direction.
Ellis.
I'll keep you posted. Over and out. What's the matter, buddy? It's okay, buddy. It's all gone. See? Bullet, what's wrong? Work, damn it! Get a grip, Ellis. Ellis to base. Near a dead white tree.
First I've...
Oh, great. He found a tree in a forest. Sheriff, this is a joke. I came here to look for a kid, not this moron.
That's enough, Spencer.
Yeah, that's enough. I'm going home.
Keep us posted, Ellis. Over and out.
Come on, Bullet. Good dog.
Base to Ellis. I think we found the ravine you were talking about. Any updates on your side?
Yeah, actually, you know if anyone's ever done any construction work out here?
Like what?
Like reinforced concrete, foundations, or trenches?
Trenches? Well, there hasn't been any military presence in these parts since the Civil War. Ellis, are you sure?
I know what I'm seeing, Lanning.
All right. It's just, yeah, we're gonna look for that campsite and the trenches or whatever they are. Over and out.
Guess we're not gonna find out. Not what I'd expect in the middle of the forest. Then again, I wouldn't expect me from a candy wrapper. Really? Come on, Bullet, you can do better than that. Go on, see if you can find something else. That's it. Take me to it.